Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here. Welcome to the channel. I have a very special episode here today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because it's been a long time coming and I'm really excited to share this with you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can keep up to date on all things legal lockpicking and everything in between. Now, I'm going to share this with you guys because I think it's important that you see the letter that came with it. It says, "Hi Legal Lockpicker, we hope you enjoy trying these tools out. We sure like designing them. These are the final prototypes for our new tool set. They were designed by Morsel, Lockpickinglawyer, and jimylongs. Cheers from all of us at ToooL." Now, I got this because, if you guys remember, I'm having a rake series, and it's going to be a week-long series. I've put a lot of work into it. I'm still working on recording things and acquiring tools, getting cutaway locks so I can give you the best possible reaction shots as possible. So once I can, get those things under wraps, I'll be able to show it to you guys a lot better. So that's how this started, because the ToooL wave rakes were one of the most requested rakes to be in the series, so it's absolutely important that we put those wave rakes in the series. You might notice on my hands that I do have some of these band-aid marks and stuff like that. It's not a big deal. I had to get some surgery done. Everything's fine, but just so you know when you see it. So these are the Tremendous 12 set from ToooL. These are the picks that you are familiar with. You can get these on the ToooL website, and I will leave a link in the description below. And this is what their set looks like. And I know that ToooL, in conjunction with Morsel and Lockpickinglawyer and Jimmy and these guys, they've been working on a new set for a while, and now this is the final copy of those. So this is what we went through, and then they decided, okay, we need something else. We need more. And who doesn't like more? And these are those. These are the very first looks at those profiles. And I'm going to show you them. Just like these, I've measured these, and I believe that they are all in 25 thousandths. So we've got 0.02 inches, of course, but it's not as accurate as it is supposed to be. 0.025 or 25 thousandths. So yeah, we'll switch it over to millimeters, and I'll just show you. So we're back at 0.5 millimeters. So I think you get the basic idea of how that goes. The very first thing we're going to go over here is this pick right here. This is a nice pick. It's kind of like and I've had a chance to use these right here. This is like a medium to small hook. I like it a lot. They offered something like that in the other set, except it was deeper. It was kind of deeper, and it didn't have such a sharp curve on it. So this is going to be a great addition to that, and I'll be able to show that to you guys in a little bit. Obviously, we definitely need one of these compared to the other ones. The diamond tip at the top is smaller, so that was definitely an upgrade as well. The handles feel nice. These are really solid picks. They're not bad at all, if I do say so myself. We've got ourselves we've got another like medium deep kind of hook, but this is like, for getting that stubborn one all the way in the back. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. And you get a key like this, and you see that bad boy at the end. You can't even see the pin in here, and you need to get past it in order to get to the one at the end, especially when you're dealing with security pins. This is the type of pick that you want to use for that type, and I'm going to show you exactly some of those things. ToooL, as you know, they do a lot of engineering and mathematical equations and symmetries and dimensions and all that stuff in order to bring everybody the best possible picks out there at the best possible price. And that's how I understand it. And I know they do a lot of research, and this is just one of those. If you look carefully, you can kind of see that there's this short area before it actually gets to the pick, so you're not sticking this down a 7-pinner and anything like that. It'll make quick work of it towards the end. It's really nice. This is another one of the rakes. This is also a really cool one. When you don't really want to have those really high and low edges and up and down, this would be something that I use that works on the SFIC and LFIC locks, just because of how many pins there are, how deep they are, and what I've come to notice is their keys aren't all over the place. I mean, I'm sure they are, but this seems to work for that type of keyway. Let me just give you a little quick show here. Take a look at, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can get a better look at them. Alright, so if you take a look here, and if you saw the key and you see that sharp one right here, this pin, I guess that'd be pin 4. So we're going to use like the regular hook. This would be like the regular medium or small hook, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to push down right here. We're going to push down on the pick, and the pick tip is going to go up. Ready? Now watch that one at the end. So I'm going to put it in, make sure I'm on that pin, and watch all the pins go up. You see how every pin goes up? Boop. Because you want to get that one at the end, but you don't realize it, but you're hitting the whole stack. So you end up hitting everything along the way. And this is the pick I'm saving for the last part. This right here has like the hook, so you can get like a past the deep cut, and then you get to the one in the back. We're going to do the same experiment. We're going to stick this all the way here to the back, and then I'm going to push down. There we go. Now that is as far as it goes. Now if you notice, we've only just hit the breach for that last one there, and this is as exaggerated as I can get it. So instead of having, see how I can hit that one pin right back there? Instead of lifting the entire stack up like that, right, the entire stack, what we're doing is we're focusing on that one pin a lot more than we would be if we were using a regular hook. So I can't wait to dig into these deeper, and I hope you guys get that opportunity. I will leave a link in the description below on ToooL's website, and you guys can keep up to date on their equipment lists and try to grab these when you can. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys, because I'm going to have these rig videos out soon, and I really want you guys to check them out because I spent a lot of time, energy, and I can't wait to get the cutaways and everything else situated. If you have any questions about these picks, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer as many as possible, and I will put you I will put you in contact with the right people if I can. And thank you at Deviant. I appreciate it, buddy. And just thanks a lot, guys. I hope you like this video.